Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss XOR equality, which is problem number third of May long challenge code set. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start it. Okay, before starting, I would like to tell you that if you're not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And after watching, if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And last but not the least, will be providing the solution of the code of this solution of this problem in the link in the description, and if not, then I will provide an alternative. Okay, so let's start. So I will quickly read the problem statement here and briefly explain you, and after that I will explain you the complete logic of the code. That is okay. So let's start. For a given and find the number of ways, choose x from range this such that it satisfies this condition. Okay, so you have to in the problem it is simple problem which asks you to find the number of x which satisfies this condition in the range 0 to n minus 1, and n will be given. Okay, and if x that is large, if x the number of x is large, then please modulo it and then give the that is submit the answer. Okay, so it has been asked, it is simple, but the logic is tough. That is the observation you need over here. So let me take you to my that is explanation. Okay, here I have made a table of that condition. Okay, the corresponding condition in that question given over there, I have made a table of it so that we can observe it that is clearly. So as you can see, x are 0 1 2 3 7 and x plus 1 will be 1 that is one number greater of that, so it will start from 1 to 8, and this will start sorry, this will not start, they will get XOR. So you can see the XOR of these two numbers are there. Similarly, I have done the same process over here, but is x plus 2, it is for x plus 2 and x plus 3, and XOR of x plus 2 and x plus 3. Okay, so after making this table, I observed what I observed is that is alternative ones are having their XOR value equal. Okay, like if you observe here, 0 1 have XOR value 1, and after leaving 1, this pair 2 and 3 have their XOR value equal, and after again leaving 1, and this pair having their XOR value equal, after again leaving 1, this pair having their XOR value equal. Similarly here, so what you observe is if you get n equals to 3, okay, if you get n equals to 3, then the range will be 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 0 to 7. So total 8 elements will be present, that is 8 numbers will be present, means 8 pairs will be present. Okay, so in that there will be 4 presents, are 4 pairs are such that they satisfies the condition. So your answer will be simply this one, what, 2 to the power n upon 2, that is 2 to the power n minus 1. But the problem is that if you simply print, that is submit the answer with 2 to the power n minus 1, then it is going to give you TLE. Why? Because this power function, while calculating, it calculates in the, that is means it takes time to calculate. Okay, it takes the power, then it takes the modulo. So while calculating the power, it takes n time, and while taking the modulo, it takes n time. So total n into n time, n square time. But if you use this one, then you are definitely gonna get, it will give the time limit exceed. Okay, why? Because when after finding, okay, I have explained it to you. Now what you have to do, how can you do that? It is like when you use modulo exponentiation, that is at the same time you find the power, and at the same time you take the modulo of the intermediate power result. Okay, so how will you do that? Let's jump into my solution code. There I have completely written the code, and I will explain it to there only. So where it is, okay, so here is my solution code. So this is generally the modulo exponentiation I have done over here. That is at the same time I am finding the power, and at the same time I am finding the modular of that intermediate power result. Okay, So it will and it is taking log n time. That is if power is n or power is y, then it will take power log y or log n. Okay, so it is very fast, so it will not give you TLE. As you can see, I've got the AC result, so you can see the solution code also, and I will provide the solution code in the link in description. And at last I would like to say that if you like my explanation, then please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you. Happy coding.